Morning everyone, how are you? Oh, it's a small world kind of a day. I've got my ears on and I've got my top. I conquered the small world. Definitely small world kind of a day. Shall we open up some small world pins and see if I can complete my set, shall we? Join me at the side of the intro and let's open them together. Hit it, maestro. On the holiday we've just come back from over April and May, I was looking everywhere for small world pins. Do you think I could find them anywhere? No, I couldn't. Neither could Logan, making all that noise in the background. I couldn't. And the old set of pins I can't find anywhere, so I think that they're going to the character warehouse. I wanted to collect them and I've got one, I think. Never mind, it's one of them. But anyway, I looked. No one had got the new pins. No one had got these anywhere. And then I found them. I think it was at the Contemporary, I found them. And so I grabbed the 4 boxes, hoping to complete my set. And this is what I need on the back. So I've got all the ones that are marked with a cross, but I need the Beefeater and I need the Panda. So those are the 2 I need. I've got everyone else. And I've got 4 boxes. So I need some luck. I need serious luck. So come on, waves of luck. Let's start our swimming lessons again. The madness has started. Right, so. Oh, I'm really nervous. Right, okay. So, box, throw. I might need that one because that's the one that tells me what I need if I don't get them right. Okay, so. Oh. What have I got here? This is a long shot. This one is, I think this is the Mexican one. The Aloha. For Mexico. Can you hear my dogs in the background? They're playing now. They bark and now they're playing. Honestly, you get no peace in this house. Right, next one. You think we're massive dogs? They're 3 tiny little dogs. Right, what's this one? Oh no, I've got the cactus one. Oh dear. Right, okay, so those are 2 traders. Right, so that's no good. That box, no good. Right, new box. It's sending me luck. I need luck. I want to finish this one. Right, okay. This one feels exactly the same. Yeah. Oh dear me. Because I couldn't buy them from different locations because I only saw it in the one location. Can you imagine? I've just got this feeling. And another cactus. I've got a feeling that tonight's not going to be a good night. Right, box 3. We've got 2 left. So, what have we got? Ooh, might be different. Might be different. What's this one? Oh, I've got the Japanese girl. So I've got her. I'm not going to do it, am I? I only needed 2 and I've got 4 boxes. I'm not going to do it and I'm not. I need 1 now. I've got the Panda. Yay! Yay! 1 box. I need 1 pin. I need the Beefeater. And where's the Beefeater from? It's from the UK. And where am I from? The UK. Right, okay. So I've gone and got another Panda. And then, what have I got? What's this one? I've got 2 2 duplicate boxes. That's really bad, isn't it, when Disney do that? Really bad. Really, really bad. So I've now got another Japanese girl. So I'm just after the beef eater. So let's have a look at them in close up. So here are the 4 that I've got. And obviously my favourite one of all of those is the pandas, because now my set is completed. And obviously I've got duplicates of all of those as well. So beautiful. I can't believe I still need the beef eater. Can you believe I, from the UK, need a beef eater? It's not often you hear me say that. Just have to try a bit harder, won't I? So if anyone's got beef eater and they want to trade, let me know. I've got loads of trades. Loads of these, loads for the trades. But yeah, that's all I need to complete my set. But I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to click the subscribe button at the end of the video and the notification bell. That way then you'll always be aware when I've uploaded a new video. Logan wants to add his 2 pennething as well, doesn't he? Oh, honestly, they never shut up, my dogs. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. And I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye. Bye.